So in this case, the customer really just uses this as an acoustic guitar. So we've blocked the tremolo. I put a block of UHMD in there to immobilize that trem so it is non-floating. It's now fixed. Smoked flame maple neck. This is the close-up of the compensated nut, so you can see the E, A, and D strings are all negative values. The B string and the G string are actually positive values. They come beyond the nut slot and cantilever towards that first fret. The first string is pretty well right on the slot, and these are 10 to 46 strings at concert pitch, and you'll get to hear it in a second. So the way this is set up, he can strum folk chords or fingerstyle, and I thought I would show you that first. Here's a shot of the back of the headstock. Now these are a Godot locking tuner, and this kind of gives you an idea of the flame on this thing. It's quite beautiful. So I put 4 springs in there and then fabricated that press fit piece of UHMD, ultra high molecular density plastic, and that has immobilized the bridge, and it is also 100% reversible. That can be slipped out at any time in the future if the customer decides they want to have a floating tremolo. Now the tuning is super stable, and like I said with Alan, he's really just using it as an acoustic guitar, and it was never quite right for him. But it's more than right now, and you'll have a listen in a second. For the final calibration, after the compensated nut is done and the bridge is done, action, truss rod, all that's adjusted for this gauge of string, 10 to 46, I play the open first string, the note E, and open second string, B. So E, B, and then fret the 2 middle strings at the 9th fret for the notes E and B. And then the harmonics on the 7th fret of the A and low E strings, the notes, once again, E and B. Now we're ready to play some chords. Let's have a listen. So these were the final discrepancies that I went through to calibrate that compensated nut. We're going to go through this sequence. You've seen me do it before. Open string, 7th fret, 19th fret octave, 12th fret, open string, and 2nd fret. A string, open, 7th fret, 19th fret octave, 12th fret, open, and 2nd fret. D string, open, 7th fret, 19th fret octave, first string, and second string. Okay, we'll start with just some garden variety first position chords. And next we'll just play some triads in different positions. G, D, E, A, here's an E major 9, A minor 9, A major 7. Here's the diatonic key of D. Here's the key of E minor, or G major. Just to remind everybody that this is actually a guitar meant to rip on. Okay, so I've recorded a chord progression. And I've looped that, and I'm just going to play over it and flick the pickups around so you can actually hear this guitar, because it is a smoking Strat.